Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am mrbobvin or Malika, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to see how much I can knit in 12 hours. So the project I'm going to be working on is my Marseille sweater by Petite Knit, and that's how it looks so far. I'm currently working on the left shoulder, so I kind of want to start the front yoke by the time this video is like almost over. So it's currently 10:34 right now, so in 12 hours that's 10 p.m. so 10:30 is when I will stop. But I'm currently this far, just literally like this far into the left shoulder, and it's not long to do, so it's not like it's gonna be super long, because then I'll have to do the right shoulder and then start connecting. So I think I should be able to get to the front yoke now, like by the time, like in a few hours. I feel like I don't have that much to do. Maybe I haven't read through the pattern that much. Anyway, so we'll see how much I get done, and that's literally it. I haven't filmed in so long, so this is crazy. But anyway, this is again how the sweater looks. This is the back part, this is the front, so the shoulder's gonna come, then the other shoulder, and then I'll connect it all together to work on the body. But yeah, that's how it looks so far, and let's get in. Okay guys, I'm going to take a quick break to eat and then I will get back to knitting. I'm actually going to be starting the front yoke now. I just have to connect the left and right shoulders and then start it. So yeah. Okay guys, so it is 7:19 and I am definitely on the front yoke, which I got on it like super fast. Anyway, so it looks like this. It's kind of weird since I'm still, you know, I'm in the middle of knitting it, but looks like this. So it's forming almost the body, and yeah, I got super farther than I thought I would, which is great. And I still have 3 hours, but I have to shower, so I'll shower in an hour. I'll try not to take long because I want to at least get to the front stripe so it can be like one whole stripe, and then I'll be close to doing the body. So yeah, hopefully I can finish the yoke today and then start on the body tomorrow. That would be awesome. Anyway, let's get it. Okay guys, it is 9:28 and my hands are feeling staticky, and it's because I've been knitting all day, and that happens when I knit too long, and I honestly don't feel like continuing. But I got this much done. I ended up doing the front yoke stripe, so that's the back stripe, that's the front stripe. So in the beginning of my video I was literally like right here, and now I'm right here. So I got a lot done. Anyway, that's the end of my video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.